Hi everyone and welcome to Nikki's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make crepes. So let's get started. Let's prepare the crepe batter. Adding 1 cup of whole milk, a 1/4 cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, adding 4 large eggs. If you want to know more about my channel, hit the subscribe button for the latest updates and videos. And whisk all the ingredients together. And sift in 1 cup of plain flour. And incorporate the flour into the batter. Then add in a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And now is a good time to add in your food coloring. I'll be using pandan for this recipe. And combine well. In another bowl, strain your batter so it won't be lumpy. After straining, you should end up with a smooth batter, just like this. Now let's prepare our crepes. I'll be using a 10-inch pan. On medium heat, brush your pan with vegetable oil. Adding half a cup of batter. If you're using a smaller pan, just add in a 1/4 cup of batter. Then cover the pan and cook for 1 minute. After 1 minute of cooking, remove from pan and set it aside. Only oil the pan on every second crepe that you make. Using a napkin, wipe off the moisture from the lid before placing on the pan so that the crepes won't end up soggy. Continue making the crepes until all the batter is gone. And here you have it, simple crepe recipe. If you want to know how I made these pancakes, I'll leave a link above. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Bye for now and see you next time.